How to use iCloud Advanced Data Protection. To use the iCloud's Advanced Data Protection, first of all, you have to set up a recovery method, which is mandatory. Open the Settings application on your iPhone or iPad, then tap your name at the top. Then select the iCloud and scroll down and tap the Advanced Data Protection. And then proceed to tap the account recovery. Then choose at least one of these pillars, such as recovery contact, recovery key. And then update and prepare your device. Update all the device that is connected to your account and also remove old hardwares. Now you simply have to turn on Advanced Data Protection. Navigate to the settings, tap on your name, then go to iCloud. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu, select the Advanced Data Protection and turn on the feature. Review the security warnings and tap Continue. Enter your phone's screen password and re-verify your 28-character recovery key to finalize the encryption keys. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.